On your main page, select Finance and then General Journals, or you can use the magnifying glass and search for General Journals. Here on the top, you have your batch name and you can select which one you'd like to use. You could create different batches to separate one user entries from another. You can change the description to the username, whatever works best for you. I'm going to go ahead and select batch A. Then we have the posting date, the document number. You can leave the default number. Account type, it's going to be GL account. And then we can select the account number. Let's say I need to reallocate an expense from advertising to marketing. So here I can click on the drop down and select the GL account, or I can just go ahead and start typing advertising. The account name and the description will automatically populate with the account name, but I can override these fields. So let's say for the description, I'm going to type in reallocation. Let's say I want to credit $50 and I'm going to debit my marketing expense account. I go to my second line. I have my document number, account number. Now I'm going to select marketing and I'm going to debit $50. If I want to review my entry before I post, I can go to Home, Post, and Preview Posting. I can click on the number 2 right here, review it, and if I'm satisfied with my entry, I can go ahead and post. You can select yes, and the system will process this transaction and post to the general ledger. Now let's take a look and review how to create a standard journal. When you have lines that you know that you are likely to create it again, you can save them in the standard journal before you post the journal. So I'm going to enter the journal lines as normal. And at this time, I'm going to reallocate from my prepaid account to subscription. So I'm going to select my subscription account. Let's say I want to reallocate $1,000. And the credit side of my entry is going to be my prepaid account. You could also change the description if you want to. Once all these journal lines have been entered and you'd like to save it as a standard journal, you can go to Actions, Functions, and then Save as Standard Journal. You would give it a code. So in this case, I'm going to call it Subscription, and also a description. And you also have the option to save the amount or not. Even if you save the amount, when you recode the standard journals, you can still overwrite the amount code. I can enable this field and I'm going to hit OK. Once this step is complete, I can go ahead and post these entries. And this journal will be available next time when I want to use it. So I'm going to hit Post and post it. Now my lines are cleared. And if I want to use that entry again, I can go to Get Home and Get Standard Journals. I can select that code and hit OK. Now you can see the lines are automatically updated. I can just go ahead and change the posting date or change the amounts or any other field that I want. To review all the entries you posted, you can search for General Ledger Entries. And then open the page. You can see the fields in here. You might need to personalize your screen so you see the amount. And also you can use the filters to help you with your analysis.